Add markers in your surveys easily with ViXR Survey's online dashboard. To add a marker, go to the Area Management screen. Click on an area to see the photos inside. Select a photo to open the Photo View section. Click on the photo image to see the marker view. Here, click the plus button. Then, click on the photo to place the marker in the photo. In the Details section, you can edit the marker name. Select a category and a subcategory. Enter the location and add a description. In the Product section, you can select the product to be placed, along with the size and dimensions for the product. In the Materials section, select the material, lamination, backing, and mounting information. After verifying all the information, click Add to create your marker.